If you have ever looked at an AI response and thought, this is not what I asked for, you are not alone. Most people blame it on the model, but what has worked for me is that I have changed the way I write my prompts. I work on agentic AI platform and I prompt AIs every single day. And I keep seeing the same issue. People give AI almost nothing to work with and then get frustrated when AI makes things up. There's a simple fix and I'll show it right now. Here's where it goes wrong. People type the same way into AI chat as they would into a Google search. A handful of words, enter, and done. But AI doesn't fetch answers, it builds them. And when it doesn't have enough to work with, it starts guessing. That's where filler and hallucinations come from. Let's take a look at this. Write a LinkedIn post about our new feature. Nothing's wrong with the grammar, however, you have left out so many information. Who is it for? How long? What tone? However, now this example. You're a B2B SaaS marketer. Write a LinkedIn post announcing our new AI report generator. Audience, data analysts who hate manual reporting. Tone, confident but not salesy. Under 150 words and end with one question. The second one reads better, but the point is not that it's longer. Every added detail closes a door AI could walk through on its own. And honestly, writing one full prompt takes less time than writing 3 follow-up prompts because AI model doesn't understand what I want. Almost every prompt that works comes down to 5 pieces. Role. Who should the AI be right now? A marketing strategist sounds different from a customer success rep. Task. The actual thing you want done. Write, summarize, rewrite, say it straight. Context. The behind-the-scenes stuff. Your company, your audience, what you're trying to achieve. This is the piece that stops hallucinations because you're feeding real info instead of leaving gaps. Format. What shape should the result take? A list, an email, short paragraphs. Tell it where to go. Constraints, the guardrails. Word limit, tone, things to avoid, a specific time frame. Not every prompt needs all 5. A quick task might just need a role and a task. But when the output feels off, scan one of these 5 because usually it just means that something is missing. Let me build one. Let's say I want a LinkedIn post about a blog that we just published. Role, digital marketing specialist. Task, LinkedIn post about the latest blog. Context, Agilix is an agentic AI platform. Format, short sentences, no paragraphs longer than 2 lines. Constraints, professional but not pushy. Under 150 words, end with a question. And before I even hit generate, I roughly knew what I was gonna get. And that's the test. If you can imagine the output from the prompt alone, so can AI. Here are a couple examples people mess up a lot. Email writing. Now this is a weak prompt. Rewrite this email to sound better. Better than what? For whom? However, this is a stronger prompt. You're an email coordinator. Write this reply to a frustrated client. Warm tone, not corporate, under 100 words. Now the AI knows the situation and understands what better means. Another example, meeting notes. This right here is a weak prompt. Summarize those notes. However, a stronger prompt would be summarize these meeting notes for the project lead who missed the meeting. 3 bullet points plus action items. Skip the small talk. Now it knows what to include, what to throw out, and who's reading it. Every good prompt trades a few extra seconds for a result you can actually use. You're not writing more, you're eliminating guesswork. Here are some rapid-fire essentials to remember. Get specific. Precision stops the AI from going off script. Give it your actual data when you want analysis. Tweak and rerun. First attempts are rarely perfect. And phrase things positively. Instead of don't use fake data, Go with stick to the attached file. The moment you tell AI not to do something, it fixates on it. Don't unload a wall of instructions at once. Split complex prompts into steps. Don't assume one prompt works everywhere. Models reason differently. Adjust per tool. Don't overbuild simple requests. And the big one, never treat the output as finished. It's a draft. You review, you edit, you ship. The AI does the heavy lifting, not the final call. If you want to try this on an agentic AI platform, come find us at chat.agilix.com. Because with Agilix, it's that simple.